Moved this year's tax deadline from April 15th to July 15th because of the pandemic. Now tax day is quickly approaching.
It sure is. CBS 2's Michael George has tips now for people who still need to file, and also some things to look out for next year.
Procrastinators, it's time to grab your documents and fill out those IRS forms. But there is some good news.
If you make less than $69,000, you are entitled to the IRS free file program.
CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger says those free tax filing software programs can be found at irs.gov. If you need more time to file, you can get an extension until October 15th. But there's a catch. H&R Block's Kathy Pickering explains.
An extension to file is not an extension to pay. So if you're in a situation where you owe taxes, you're still going to need to estimate how much your tax payment needs to be and make that payment by July 15th in order to avoid any penalties or interest.
If you don't have the money now, you can apply for a payment extension of up to 120 days, or you can ask the IRS to set up an installment plan. And for the millions who lost their jobs during the pandemic, it's not too early to think about next year.
So this question about unemployment is a really important one.
Both state and federal unemployment benefits are taxable and will have to be paid next year.
You can actually ask to have taxes withheld from your check, but it doesn't happen automatically. You have to ask to have that done.
There are 6 months left this year to make that adjustment and avoid a big tax bill in 2021. Michael George, CBS News, New York.
Still